High-rise kitchen, gorgeous. Look at this kitchen. It's a stunning, beautiful kitchen that has all that you need. Beautiful white cabinets, clean lines. The cabinets go all around the fridge, and it's got all the appliances you need too. It's got a beautiful wine fridge besides the fridge, and it's got great gas. You're cooking with gas. It's gorgeous. And then you've got so much counter space to prepare your foods, to serve folks. You've got a huge island here. You've got a lot of space in this one bedroom to have a very special experience. This is what it looks like inside. Walking in, you've got even more space here. This is stunning. It's just really, really stunning. This is a gorgeous high-rise apartment in Houston. You also do have floor-to-ceiling windows and some amazing views. And yes, you have a special balcony, and you can get on that and check things out anytime. It's just gorgeous. This is the place that will make your Houston high-rise dreams come true. My number is below. Send me a text and tell me, hey, just introduce yourself. Say, Grant, I'm looking to get the perfect Houston high-rise apartment. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'd love to get your help to find my perfect place. Send me some more information. And actually, let's just chat because I'm all about relationships, and I love helping my Houston high-rise clients find their perfect place. And once you do that, man, we'll chat, we'll get to know each other, and then we'll be on a journey to find your perfect Houston high-rise, kind of like this.